Hey everyone, we are continuing the birthday shenanigans today, Kyle and I, and Ramses. Where did he go? Oh, he's down back there. We are on our way to the beach by Sandcastles because it's just a really nice beach, and that's the beach that I want to go to today. I'm meeting up with some people, gonna go there and get some food and some drinks. Probably not going to eat at the restaurant, just going to like get food to go. And it should be a good day. I'm excited. Yesterday was actually really fun. I had work obviously, but then after work we went bowling. I got a bunch of my friends to go bowling. Some people were playing kids and didn't want to bowl, but then eventually they bowled and they all had fun, and it was great.
Not to cut you off, how are you gonna skip over the movie, dude?
Oh, okay, yes. Went to the movies before we went bowling, so I'll include all these clips now so you can see what we got up to. It was great. So we are at the movie theaters today. We're going to go see Mortal Kombat. We basically rented out the entire movie, one of the theaters, so that we can watch it. We have, I think, 25 people that are going to be here with us. Yeah. If you're here and you want to go to the movies, you can go to Caribbean Cinemas.
And you can rent out a theater.
Yeah, you can rent out a theater. So as long as you have 20 people, it's $16 per person, and that includes a drink and some popcorn. So I'm not sure exactly what the size is, but you'll see.
Ryan Little. We tried to go to karaoke night at Starlight, but there was only 10 minutes left. By the time we got there, parts of our group got in and the rest of the group didn't. So then we ended up going to this other place, which is a new bar called Iguanas. And we went in, got one shot, and then they had to close there because of the COVID restrictions. A bunch of police came by, like 4 different cars, and yeah, we ended up leaving there. But while we were there, I don't know if I should say that the guy, basically this guy invited us to come over to his establishment. I'm not going to say which place we went to because I don't want him to get in trouble, but basically everybody from the bar went over to his place, and there were drinks. They had like a little bar. The lights were low. They had actual like party lights. The music was good. The stereo system was great. It was a good time. And yeah, we stayed there until like 3 a.m. It's a pretty late day today. It is 1:37 and we are headed to the beach. So I'll take you there to the beach by Sandcastles. I think it's still called Dorsch, but yeah. I really don't know the distinction between the beaches on that stretch. I just call the entire thing Dorsch, and you just kind of specify which parts of Dorsch you are at.
everyone, so I'm back home now. Had a great day at the beach. We're unloading the car now. I got some food at Sandcastles. They added a chicken salad croissant to their menu. It was really good. Definitely recommend that you get the chicken salad croissant. I had a passion fruit mojito. Those were really good. Very minty. What else did we have? Kyle had a dark and stormy. I tasted it. It was also really good. And then we chilled on the beach. Kaylee, Adara, and Maya were there. It was great hanging out with them. Kareem was also there for a bit. We all had a great time. It was a very chill day, which is exactly what I wanted. I am very happy with this weekend, with my little, like, finally kind of celebrating my birthday weekend. Going to the bowling alley was really fun. The movies was really fun. The beach was great. We actually got to do some paddle boarding with like a mix of, with like an elliptical. We had like little feet paddle things. I'll just show you. It was actually pretty fun doing those. The guy was basically like, he wants us to go on it, show that we're having fun on it, and hopefully other people would, you know, want to do it too. And I told him I had a YouTube channel and I'd show you guys some clips of us having fun on his little paddle boards.
And back. Okay, you guys. And then the Wonder Woman level is going to be from here to Sandy Point and back.
Yeah.
Well, you,
that's like a mile.
yeah, you guys gonna you're gonna do the reverse. You're gonna start that first and work your way back, right? Yeah. Let's do it. So cool. I operated from here out of Dorsch Beach, and hope to see you guys again.
Cool. Do you have a contact number? What's your name?
Aaron Abel, 340-626-3921, and I'll give you a business card.
Sounds good.
Cool. Thank you guys.
And yeah, it was actually a really good time. A little bit of a workout. He said he's gonna start some workout classes soon. He's gonna be taking people on like different routes. I think he said from like Sandy Point down to like the dock or something, which is a pretty good distance. So if you're interested in that, I'll have his information down below. I'm pretty excited to hopefully go do some more water sports with him in the future and show you guys what he has to offer. He is local, and I love promoting local businesses. On the way down back home, I was telling Kyle that I feel like the islands that actually prioritize locals doing fun things are the ones that actually do the best with like tourism. So I think instead of like trying to figure out what tourists would like to do when they come to your island, you focus on the people of the island first, make sure that they have things to do, and then once they are actually enjoying their island, then it's just like automatically you have that marketing because they are proud of their island. They are, I don't know, it's just more likely that people will see that it's genuinely just a great time being here. And I remember being in a clubhouse room once, and I was talking about my YouTube channel, and this guy was saying, oh yeah, I've seen your YouTube channel before, like it's nice to see somebody enjoying all the touristy things. And I was like, I don't do touristy things. I do things that like everybody here should be enjoying. Like these are our things to enjoy. If tourists come down here, it's not just for them to enjoy, you know? So parts of my channel, although I really love sharing the things that I do for people who want to visit here and people who want to move here, it's also for people who are here to realize that we have a lot of fun things that you could be doing here, and you should enjoy it, because I mean, we live in a pretty amazing place, and I think a lot of people don't realize that until it's kind of too late. All in all, I had a great birthday. I know some of you were wondering what I got for my birthday. I got a lot of funds to help towards some things that I've wanted for a while. So I've wanted to get a GoPro so that I can get some cool footage for you all. It would have really been nice to have a GoPro today while I was doing the paddleboarding thing with the guy. And then I'm also going to get an Apple Watch because I really want to prioritize like actually keeping track of my health and fitness, like getting back into the routine, actually going to the gym, you know, sorting out all that. Had a really great birthday. I didn't get to celebrate it the way that I really wanted to, but I'm very happy with the people who I've been able to surround myself with, and it was a great time. Thank you to everybody who wished me happy birthday, and thank you to everyone who took time out to actually spend time with me. I actually really enjoyed my time with the people that I've been able to hang out with over the past few days. Yeah, it was great. So thank you for watching this video. I know it was a little mosh posh of things, but I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.